Welcome back to Visibility Hacking Radio.
Hello, Visibility Hackers. It's Molle back again for another dose of empowerment, innovation, and impact. Today I've got a special treat for you, an inspiring case study on how video marketing completely transformed an online wellness coach's business. So let's get started.
Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molle, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
Before we dive into this case study, let's quickly recap the importance of video marketing. It's about so much more than promoting your product or service. It's about making connections. It's about sharing stories, and it's about driving change. And as an online wellness coach or any impact-focused entrepreneur, it's one of the most potent tools that you can use to amplify your mission. Our case study today features Sarah, an online wellness coach dedicated to helping women reclaim their health and vitality through holistic practices. Sarah had a loyal client base, but wanted to extend her reach and help even more women. She knew the power of video, but wasn't sure how to harness it. So I asked Sarah to begin by identifying her why. Her mission was to empower women to take control of their health. It was rooted in an experience Sarah had combating her own chronic illness and feeling completely disempowered in the process. She knew there was a better way, and she started her coaching business to guide others towards the resources and the support they need to be empowered in their health journey. She knew her audience well. Busy women who need practical, achievable advice to improve their well-being. Sarah started creating simple, informative video content. She would share recipes, exercise routine, mindfulness techniques, all aimed at her audience's needs. She was authentic and passionate, never shying away from sharing her own wellness journey. And here's where the magic happened. Sarah not only began to see an increase in her client base, but also noticed her existing clients were more engaged. They were sharing her videos, commenting more actively, and even implementing her advice more consistently, and therefore creating a movement around her advice. What made Sarah's video marketing strategy successful was the authenticity she brought to her videos and her unwavering focus on her mission to empower women. By sharing her knowledge through video, Sarah was able to create a community of women committed to health, wellness, and growth. So my dear visibility hackers, let's learn from Sarah's journey. Remember, video marketing isn't just about promoting your brand. It's about making a difference and driving change. So find your why, understand your audience, and start creating. Let's continue to make a positive impact, one video at a time. Yes, I am truly this passionate, and I want you to find that passion as well. Until next time, my wonderful, wonderful visibility hackers, stay visible, remember I love you, and be excellent to each other.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.